Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video we will solve another machine problem using C programming language. Write a program to ask the user to give an input number of days and convert into years, weeks, and days and display the result on the screen. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, silent viewers on my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I wrote this program when I started working with my book about C programming. So here the problem is write a program to ask the user to give an input number of days and it will convert into years, weeks, and days and display the result on the screen. Okay, so basically we have here, okay, let us go to our dev C++. Okay, so we have here a comment days.c, convert days to years, weeks, and days. Author yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, IT MIT. And then I have two websites where you can download the complete source code of this one and other programs for free. jakerpomperada.com, and then the second one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com. Currently guys, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, software development, IT consultancy. You can reach me at my personal email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. So the tools that I used in writing this application is Dev C++ version 5.11. The date is April 18, 2022, 5:51 AM Monday. So we have here sharp includes stdio.h. Std means standard input output, header file for input output, int main begin, and then I declare three variables: days, years, and weeks, which has a data type of integer, and then system color F0 for attributes in the background color of our program, including the text. Printf new line. Printf convert days to years, weeks, days in C. New line, how many days, stored in our variable days. And then we have here the formula conversion in this portion, years equals days over 365, ignoring leap year, closing open and close parentheses. Weeks, days percent 365 divided by 7, days equals days, years multiplied by 365 plus weeks multiplied by 7. And then here new line, display results, number of years, percent T because it is decimal, years, number of weeks, number of days, new line, and end of program, new line, and then we close our program. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the source code. Okay, let us go, compile and run. Okay, convert days to years, weeks, and days in C. How many days? Let's see, 1450. So for 1450, display the result. Number of years 3 years, number of weeks 50, number of days 5, end of program. Another example, let's say 5432. So for the 5432, number of years we have 14 years, number of days we have 46, number of weeks 46, number of days 0. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new on how to create days to years, weeks, and days in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.